Everyone, hope everything is going well. I wanted to look at Bitcoin, and I don't know if you want to call this sentiment, but I like looking at the Google Trends. I do this for sports cards, and I'm going to do this for Bitcoin, and I could look at a stock. It's called Coinbase. Now, there isn't too much interest right now in terms of Google in regards to where it was in 2021. You could see Bitcoin is in blue and Coinbase is in orange, reddish, whatever color it is. I think it's orange. But regardless, I'm looking at May 16th, 2021. You see, it's 100, the interest, okay? Look at the charts of Bitcoin in about May of 2021. It was near all-time highs. That's quite interesting. So Google Trends, regardless of whether or not you like Google or not, their algorithmic search query shows, hey, look, interest was at pretty much an all-time high. It was like that too in early January when sports cars was going crazy. Everything was going crazy, right? And I'm looking at right now the Google trend search. I'm shocked, to be honest. It's what? It's at 14. That's really low. And right now, Bitcoin has, rallied significantly. Now, I would like a pullback, to be honest. I'm just being upfront with you. RSI is at 71, 73. Maybe let me take a look at the money flow index. Granted, you know, things can be bought, overbought for long periods of time. It could be months. And, you could see that the money flow index is what, 58? This is 72 RSI. So, you know, it is what it is. It's not going hand to hand together. But I would like a pullback, to be honest, and then resume to the upside. What's most impressive about this? Now, some people may not even look at this Google Trends. I learned this from my friend Don. But look at the 5-year tips. I am very impressed at how, despite these high yields, Bitcoin has done well. Maybe I should overlay the 5-year tips yield from maybe it was earlier this week. Earlier this week, what, 2.40? Okay. 2.40, and then it's pretty much at 2.40. But earlier, like a day ago, it's 2.64. So 2.64, it's gone all the way to 2.4. What's going to happen? Let me ask you this. When these yields go negative again, let's look at a longer term chart. 5-year, okay? Look at this, right? Bitcoin started to unravel when rates started to go positive, okay? This is when you saw the zany highs in Bitcoin, negative 1.7. Right now we're at 2.40. Remember that alternative assets such as Bitcoin, gold, silver, if you look at other collectibles like sports cards, they tend to do well when this rate is negative. Bitcoin is starting to rally despite real rates, in my opinion, high. What happens if this goes back negative? It doesn't even need to go to zero. What happens to the price of Bitcoin? Interest right now is low. Okay, I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just making observations. And this is something I would probably want to look into, to be completely honest. This is a geo map. Let me see the interest here. Maybe what I could do in the future is I can maybe look at a weekly price and analyze the Bitcoin price versus where it is. I think that would be an interesting chart. And maybe, who knows how many people have made that chart. But I'm going to probably overlay some of that material in the coming future. But regardless, Bitcoin interest low while the Bitcoin price is going higher, and at the same time, real rates are high. Man, if those go negative, I'm not being hyperbolic, but Bitcoin could go insane before like the next meltdown, next crash. But anyways, I wanted to share my thoughts. Some really interesting movement in Bitcoin. Once again, I'd like to see a pullback though first. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.